What it do, Word Gang? We out here early in the morning. As you can see, it's an early, beautiful morning out here. It is a beautiful morning, and we are going to be putting these rear DV8. Hold on. Bear with me, players. These rear DV8 Inner Fenders onto Colossal, the Jeep JL.
Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
These are for a Jeep JL. I don't know about what they look like on a Jeep JK, but I'm going to show you guys how to put rear inner fenders onto your Jeep JL. And as you can see, hope it ain't too dark. It ain't too dark. Turn the light on. Still didn't help. Let's go on the good side. Let's go on the good side. As you can see, I've already installed them on the front. You probably already seen that video because I dropped that video before I dropped this video. And as you can see, it looks perfectly. You don't see any exposed guts, except the guts you were supposed to see. Fox shocks. Yeah, for those who want to know what size lift I got a 4-inch super lift on this Jeep. Those are 35 by 12.5 tires. Yeah, looks great. And those right there are 26-inch wheels on a 37 tire. For the people that want to know what those are, they're amp tires. Yeah, they're 37 by 13.5 50R26, for those who are wondering. That's my stock. That was my stock suspension. As you know, I got a super lift on that, and I will leave a link in the description or the number to the people that did the lift. I'll give them a shout out. Yeah, well, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw those on right there. Those right there going to be going on here. And I have never done this before, so it should be fairly easy. I know it can't be too hard because, you know, your boy DV8 can figure anything out, and so can you. But we're gonna definitely get onto this. It's definitely, I know it looks good out here, but it's freezing. Look at my guy out there. You know who that is. You know who that be. You know who that be. That's the Hellcat. That's the Magnum. That's the Super Sport for those nosy people like me. Where are those other cars that he ain't even got them? I do. Quit all that hate. Man, I thought my nose was getting a little snotty dotty, but we're gonna go ahead and get to that. I'm gonna go ahead and jack this Jeep up and holler at you in a second. Word Gang, I just want to show y'all where you should, if you jacking up the rear of your car, this is where you should jack it up at. See that position? You should always put it right here. Just look for this hole. This is where you jack it up at. Not here, here. This is where the manual tells you to jack it up here. This is where you jack it up here. So don't be over there guessing. Just do the right shit before you tear some shit up. Yeah. Do the right shit before you tear it up. And then you're gonna blame me. So I'm just looking out for you. Cause guess what? Did nobody look out for me? Like you tore your Jeep up? No. I'm just saying. See how the jack just fits perfectly into that? See that? Come on now. Let's go. And that's it. That's all I want to show you, fellas. Alright. I'm gonna use my trusty assistant, Christina, tell me when I stop jacking.
It's off the ground.
It's off the ground?
Yeah.
One more jack. And that's it, man. I'm gonna go ahead and take these tires off, this tire off, and I'll holler at y'all in a second. Bop. I could curl this if I wanted to. I just ain't gonna do it if I could.
Okay. Oh.
You see that?
That little stool, if y'all want that, $5 below, $5.
Let me tell you something. It looks like it's soft, it's hard as a rock. It's terrible on that ass. I'm just keeping it real, it's terrible.
You get what you pay for, $5.
Get what you pay for. So, pop these out. Oh, that should be easy. Easy money. So what we gonna do is gonna hit bam, 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 bam. Pop those out. Keep those. Those are like clips. So you just gonna keep those little clips in. And then we'll have this little piece out. I'll holler at y'all in a second. Word game, we got it all off. I could not save any of these Christmas tree things but once. What's the Christmas tree thing? Come on, man. These are the little stoppers. Yeah, you hold it, Christine. I couldn't save but one of them. They kept breaking off because I guess they got dried out or something. So I couldn't save none but one. So don't be mad at me, be mad at yourself. Nah, because you might be able to save them. I just couldn't. See no screw in here. You ain't tripping. It's a fighter. Let's see what's this. Screw right here.
I saw that, but I wasn't gonna tell you.
This bad boy is in there. Gotta pop it out. Make sure you wear some gloves too.
It's in there good.
Well, at least we know they put it in there good. Damn. I'm gonna get back to y'all. I don't want y'all to. I don't want them to just be sitting here. Again. Nah, when you take this out of the package, some of these be missing screws. Well, you'll find them. Some will be laying in the package. I just put that one on. Put this one on. I'm not for sure if this one has one right there too. There's a hole right there. So I'm pretty sure that one goes in there. So you make sure you check that before you just slang them on. And be out there looking doofus, like a doofus. Like a doofus as it comes flying off on the road. It might give you a flat tire because this thing is sharp. So.
Because these come off so you can customize them if you want to paint them. Red or blue or whatever.
Girl. Yeah, you want to paint them werewolf orange.
I'm not painting mine, but if you got like a red and black Jeep or blue and black or orange or whatever.
Bam.
So it look like.
That's what it's gonna look like. So we're gonna end up putting that in there. Hopefully it's the right side, but I'll figure that out in a second. I'm gonna get back to y'all in a second when I figure out what I gotta do. Well, we got it all in there. 2 hours later. Hard. This is hard. Let me tell y'all something. When y'all want to put these on here, you gonna have to do. Look at my hands, Lord Jesus. Look at the ash on those bad boys. I've been battling
well, it's 27
volcano monsters, but it is 27 degrees out here, like she said. But you're gonna have to end up. It's not lined up. You're gonna have to line it up yourself, is what I'm saying. Long story short, you're gonna have to use some muscle to get this bad boy in, but it will line up.
Right there.
But it's gonna be a super tight fit, but it will line up. So ain't no really way I can tell you to install it. It's just gonna be simple mathematics, man. You're gonna have to,
Trial and error.
Trial and error, cause your Jeep might line up wrong, different than mine. But
pump is behind it.
Yeah, and this is the fuel side, so it's gonna be the hardest side. The other side might be easy, so I'll let y'all know if the other side is easy. But now we're gonna end up cutting this because, as you can see, Christine probably showed you already. It looks sloppy if you don't cut this piece to cover that inner shell, the outer shell. It's gonna look sloppy. People gonna be like, "Who did that?" So you want to cover that, and you're not gonna. You're gonna end up getting. You ain't gonna use these no more. It's over with.
All
so,
right.
and you can always buy these for 40, 50 bucks at your nearest Dodge scam artist. So we're gonna cut out a little on the outside. Damn. I have to start like this. Got a new razor. Oh shit, I'm gonna hold this in my hand. Oh Lord Jesus. I'm gonna cut it a little further out. This boy is sharper than a model.
Let's go straight. Yeah.
Yeah, Look at her trying to coach me through cutting with
But
the
you
Wrangler.
all swiggly giggly looking ass.
You know how strong you gotta be to hold this?
I'm saying, just cut the line straight.
Swiggly giggly. That sounds like some stuff I would say. Swiggly giggly.
Squiggly giggly.
Look at my hands. Looks like I got on some gloves.
It is a little bit chilly out. A little bit chilly.
If anybody want to know what kind of boots these are, Nike Air 27s.
Yeah, okay.
This hat, Chanel.
Space Jams 2000.
I don't know who made this line.
Listen.
She terrible. Nah, she ain't terrible. At least she's sexy, so.
Ooh. You got that right, mate.
Damn.
It's do or die. See if it fits.
We can't go back?
Nope. This is make it or break it. Let's see if we effed up.
Now you.
Let's see if we effed up.
Are you Australian or which one are you?
I'm from Britain.
Straight lava.
Let's see if we messed up.
Probably like, man, he need to get rid of her.
We could cut a little bit off of that little squiggly giggly part you did right there.
Hold on. Is this the right side?
Yeah, we didn't take the other side off yet. So.
Really?
Squiggly googly right there. It's not a straight flush line.
Make sure it's not. So how much you want to take off?
Oh, I can't really see.
All right, I'm gonna put it in. I ain't gonna put it all the way in.
Yeah, just put it up there.
Come on, hate ass, see? Extremely hating. You gonna have to go from there. So.
All right. Well, watch out.
That motherfucker's fighting. We're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut it with the scissors on that one. So get it right.
And just because my line's crooked,
You
don't mean the cut got to be crooked.
man, get out of here.
Yeah, because this goes all the way up.
We just made sure we had some room. Don't do me.
No, I know. They said cut less off so that way you can make adjustments.
Usher, who?
I guess you won't be able to see the top though.
No, you ain't gonna be able to see the top, so you want to keep on that. That's all plastic. That's all metal back there.
I know.
That's
So,
the best we got.
so that's the line.
Well, let's make it happen then.
Let's see. Yeah.
We did it, word gang, we done. Like I said, I was gonna show y'all the end of it. When I got everything in there, as you can see, I got it looking real good. It's looking cleaned up. Look at that. You can't see no internal guts. All black inside with the mesh right there. And like I said, make sure you keep the factory inner fender in the rear. Keep that factory part so you can cut it, so you can cover the inside of that so you don't have no wires exposed, no guts or internal things exposed. Make sure you get all that. And if you can't, if these things right here end up breaking, go to AutoZone, get you some more. You can replace them. Only a couple dollars. You can replace them, get you some new ones. So don't worry about popping those off. Do not worry about popping these off. You can go to AutoZone and get them replaced. So don't even worry about that. So other than that, man, we got everything looking good, looking specnificent. No complaints my way. Yeah, that sound like a Mustang in the background. That sound like a damn Mustang. He clowning. Yeah, and that's the other side right there, as you can see. These are DV8, man. I wish they would have put some like DV8 on it or nothing, but they ain't putting nothing on it. So I'll probably end up putting like I might put like a DV8 vinyl decal right there. I might. It just depends. I think it looks better clean like that in the back. So it depends on how I'm feeling. But it definitely looks good. It's definitely clinked up, looking real good. You know how we do it. Jeep looking specnificent. Woo! We deviate all the way around this bad boy. As you see, I got it in the front too. And you can see as you look in the front, I did the same thing I did in the back. Used the front inner fender to cover up the internals. And like I said, I went and got me some more of those right there. Little Christmas tree rivets, whatever you want to call them. And AutoZone to replace the old ones. Looking real good. And I got the thing clamped all the way up. Come on now. Show me my love, man. Show me my love, y'all. I know I'm doing my thing. I know I'm out here looking roughy-duffy, but you know, can't always look spectacular. But I always look spectacular no matter what I'm wearing. You know what I mean? But we out here really doing our thing. That goes to Super Sport. That goes to Magnum. That goes to Hellcat. Woo, 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 woo. And with that being said, man, I appreciate y'all fooling with me today. Rolling with your great werewolf, your Uncle T, whatever you want to call me. I appreciate y'all, man. I appreciate the love, the support. I appreciate y'all watching my videos. Man, I appreciate everything. I ain't got a lot of subscribers, but the subscribers I do got, big shout out to y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and share this video so we can grow bigger and bigger and bigger, so we can do bigger and better things. And with that being said, hey, stay positive. Always believe in yourself. Don't worry about what the next man say about you. As long as you living your life for you, being you, living your life how you want to live it, not caring about what nobody say about. Don't ever care about what people think about you. Do you? As long as you happy, that's the only thing that matter. And with that being said, gotta end it how I always end it, baby. It's your boy T-Light. Oh yeah, big shout out to the Werewolf gang. No, much love to the Light Crew. You already know how I feel about you, baby. And we out this piece. You see that Hellcat? You see it? Ooh. And we out this piece, Werewolf gang. Much love. Appreciate y'all.